I don't have to deal with you anymore. What? Can I quit?
No.
But before you fling me, just tell me what quit means. Marshmallow, you are so getting out.
Well, you're so getting in.
I'm Marshmallow. I ruin holidays for people because, you know, it's so hilarious.
I do not.
Do too. You ruined Christmas for me. Why do you think I hate you anyway?
Oh, I never realized that's the reason why you're so upset. Paintbrush and I never meant to hurt you.
Wait, seriously? I can't believe I've been mad at you for that.
Truce?
Truth. What? Marshmallow! But she could die!
We need a third volunteer.
I'll do anything to save her. As my new friend, I will be there for her.
What? I clearly missed something.
Look, Marshmallow, I drew us.
That's nice, Apple. But you did spell everything wrong.
Oh, not again! Who cares about that? Bo was a disgusting and annoying menace.
Well, I for one thought she was really nice.
Oh, totally. She was awesome. Amazing.
No!
Hey, give that back. That ball was for Marshmallow.
Sorry. No.
How would you like it if I took your Dora doll, sissy?
Oh, in that case, here you go.
Ah!
You like that?
Marshmallow, where? Marshmallow, where are you? It's nearly 8 o'clock. We haven't finished our finger painting session yet. Ah! Ah! No, Marshmallow. Where'd you go, Marshmallow? Where are you going? Ah! BRB. Yes, I'm so glad Marshmallow is gone. After all, I am just using her vote to get farther in the game.
You big jerk! I can't believe you've been using me!
But Marshmallow, I was just kidding. It was a big joke. Ha ha.
I can't believe I was ever friends with you! Bo, take care of her! Serves her right. If Apple's cleaning, count me out.
If Marshmallow's not cleaning, count me out too.
What's wrong with you? 1 minute you're using me, and then the next you act like nothing happened.
But Marshmallow, ah!
Buzz off.
Meepet, good to see you. Display the votes.